So this is a Nokia 3.1 Plus, and this phone had the problem with the mouthpiece. You couldn't be heard if you spoke on your phone. So anyways, I'm going to bring you this solution in retrospect. I already fixed it. I wasn't able to record the video, and this just shows you the inside after opening the back glass, sorry, the back cover, which is a plastic that holds by lock and key mechanism. Of course, it has just two screws at the bottom where the charging port is, just like the iPhone. So you unscrew those and then pry the back cover open. Anyway, what you're seeing right here is this is the motherboard, and this is the battery right there, and this is the small circuit board that holds our microphone. Now when we come here, this is a closer shot of the microphone subboard, the subboard that holds the microphone. So a brief history about this phone is that it fell in water, so this gentleman kept on using it for some time, and fortunately it gradually stopped picking up sound, so the microphone died, or what you'd call the mouthpiece. Right now, if you notice here, right somewhere there is that black patch right there. He first took it to one technician who failed to replace the microphone, and when you see these 5 dots right there, those are contact points of the microphone. So he sort of failed to get it to work. Now what probably I think failed him, he wanted to probably use a 2-wire earphone, but when you look at these connections right there, they effectively reduced to 3 terminals, the first one being that, and then the second one being that, and then the third being that. This second one simply continues into these 2 other dots, which is of no consequence, and this round thing at the center, that's just a hole to let sound from the other side to enter into the mouthpiece or into the microphone, which is a bit of a weird design. So this is what I had to do for it. I didn't have a microphone that could actually fit right there, and the one that I had to pick it off another Techno motherboard. I think it was the Techno L8 Lite, and for it, when you look at its contact points right here, when you look at the contact points, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, but even these 4 contact points also effectively reduced to 3. This and that are just 1, they connect to the same point. This and that are the 2 other terminals. So this is what I did for it, to loop it, and when we come to this side, that's generally how the phone would look like. Okay, anyway, I was placing it in to test the microphone. So right now I am testing the microphone, and if you look at it carefully, that's how it looks like right there, and where I'm touching, that's where the hole that takes in sound into the microphone is. It's on this shiny side of the thing. So here, this shows the volume level that is being picked up from me, and then that's when it has been reduced a bit right there. Okay, then that it has again increased, testing it still. Okay, and then still testing it, and a close-up shot of the hole, you can see it right there. And then what else? So yeah, so this is basically what it looked like. Now the other dilemma was now to secure it into that opening. I mean, the hole is on the underside of this thing, and the hole is also on the underside of this, so this has to face there, such that sound actually gets into it. Okay, that's more of it. Okay, and yeah, this is a close-up shot of the motherboard itself, or the small subboard that holds the microphone, with the microphone secured into place. So that white tape right there was to simply insulate the contact points on the motherboard from being shorted by the shiny part of the microphone itself. And then the contact points of the microphone on the top this side, the solder points, so those were also covered with solder tape, and then we ended up with something like that. So that is it. That's how you would fix the mouthpiece if you're not being heard simply by replacing the microphone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share.